Hey, this is a big update, really big, for the widget, for the AI, for the lead generation, for a few things in the roadmap we have, and hopefully you will like it. So this is a widget that is let's say is powered by an AI agent. So you don't need to manage the leads, you don't need to manage the content, you don't need to manage anything. Let's go to the landing page first so you can see how this works. We create a flower shop AI widget. Okay, this is the widget. So I'm going to ask what is a rose. The answer is going to be generated by AI, so it's AI who is replying. But as you can see, the AI is making personal questions like what's your name. So I'm going to say Caesar. The AI is going to try to get more information like email, phone number, but I'm going to say something else like what flower do you recommend for a funeral, for example. The content we give to the AI can be a website, FAQs. You type content. Later we will see how you can add more content to the AI. And as you can see, there is a reply, and then the AI is asking for more personal information. Like I put my email, so this is good. Okay, it's going to now it's going to tell me if I want to have my phone number. So this is the AI is, let's say, is trained to get personal information. The AI is going to reply, is going to help the user, but is going to try to get personal information from the user. Okay, so this is the AI. The setup, let's go to the setup. Let's go here. So how we do it, how we create this. We go to agent. The AI belongs to the agent. Okay, so we have an agent. This agent, we create content for the AI. The content is here. Here you can add websites you want to scan and feed information, or you can type content here about specific topics. Like, for example, if the user asks for a location, please tell the user to go to Market Street 123 Michigan. This is very important. Okay, so you can add specific topics for the AI to reply. Okay, here you will have always content, the log of questions and answers. So you can check what is being happening. Okay, you can check what the AI is doing. Okay, so this is here. This is the content you have, and here is where you can check or uncheck if you want the AI to capture information. So far it's only name, email, phone number. Okay, we will add more fields, but for now is these three. Okay, so this is the AI. The AI is working. If now I can say what is a rose. Okay, it's going to reply, and I can say something like where I can buy a rose. And now I think should use the text. No, this is generic. Where I can find a nearby shop. Let's see if this is if this is working. No, okay, it's not taking. Maybe I need to fine-tune the prompt. But also, as you can see, it's trying to get personal information. So I'm going to say my email. So this can go to the CRM. And what we do here to send the information to the CRM is after 15 minutes of no activity in the chat, we send the lead to the CRM. Okay, the CRM is going to be, fed with the information from the users. Okay. Why we wait 15 minutes? Because you can be chatting with the AI. You can come back and forth. You can ask something, then come back. Then so to not, to prevent creating, duplicated leads, we just, wait for 15 minutes and then we send the data to the CRM. So you're going to have the leads here. This works with the webhook, so you can use the webhook to send the data to somewhere else. This is all, proper CRM leads that you can send, HubSpot, Odoo, Soho, workflows, anything. So I think this is, one truly, AI assistant that is going to get leads, is going to work for you. You don't need to do anything. This can be working 24/7 and is going to get leads on your behalf in your CRM. Okay. So this is an example. This is a beautiful landing page. This is an AI assistant. So I think you have it all. Okay. Hope you like it. Same price, same no limits. You can use this as much as you want in as many widgets as you want. 100% unlimited as usual. Same price, same everything. If you have an account, it's already in your account. You can start using it now. So thank you, and we are going to keep pushing. Thank you. Bye bye.